Hey, wanna cool this image inside text effect in Elementor? So don't skip. So here I actually share with you how to do it under a minute. So this is a quick video will be, and this video I'm gonna share with you how we can make this kind of text image effect in your Elementor project or next project will be. So yeah, let's jump into. The first here I'm gonna add a heading text. So this one I'm gonna add a heading HEADIH heading, and these are the heading. I'm gonna paste it over here, and before designing I'm delete it, and yeah, these are all stuff. And now I'm gonna text it should be on center. It already been centered, and I'm gonna add a typography, and this font will be like bolder font. You can choose. I'm choosing like any bold font, but I'm gonna add this one, and it's make it bolder, and size it could be anything, but I wanna add here more bolder like this, not like this, but it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna increase the size, keep it on, and the text should be anything, whatever you would like. I'm gonna paste it the text. All right, so already done. So you need to decrease a little bit size, and now the tricky part is going to advance and going to clicking this background and upload any kind of photo from your library, and I'm uploading this one and click select, and it's not ready for it's not actually still not work. Why it still not work? Step by step I'll show you, don't worry. And these are the display size, it will be cover, and position will be center. Yeah, these are if you don't want, but click this default one. Okay, I'm gonna click default one, but later we can set it as a position. What position would you like? We can set it. Now I'm gonna go into the style, and if we're gonna click this text color, and that will be transparent to 0, completely none. And the tricky part is the custom css. Alright, so what is the custom css? I'm gonna paste it to the description box, and this is the css, not like this, but I have already copied in my clipboard. These are the clipboard I have already copied. Okay, now when I paste the code, it already been shown that a text effect. All right, so now what you're gonna do, just if you see it's not from the perfect, I just go to the again one more time for advanced, and go to the background, and here the position you're gonna set it whatever actually you need, which position you wanna need. And if you wanna make it as a custom, you can select it as a custom, and horizontally, vertically, which position you need, you're gonna set from here. And that's the tricky part. Okay, all right, so you can keep it like sometime if needs extra stuff, like if you go, I want to show extra stuff. So if you don't want like this, you can skip, but I want to show you one more thing, that is if you're going to background again, and if I click the attachment, that will be fixed. So when they scroll the website, that would be scrolling your that would be changing your position imaging. So that actually looks very unique, or like that looks like animation and animated text effect over here. And sometimes if you need a stock, you can add it from text stock, like 1 pixel is perfect. So these are the stock. So if you want later, you can choose, you can add which color actually you need, you can add it. So that's a possible thing, and I don't want to take stock right now. Yeah, these are the stock, and so these are the short video I have already discussed. So yeah, so that's actually how we can create the image inside text. Elementor is simple and clean and very powerful. So that's it. So if you think this video is very helpful, save the video and try it on your next design. So thank you very much.